Our daughter. Oh, you know what? Probably these boxes right here.
Mommy, 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 mommy. Check in.
What are you doing? Is that a thermometer?
Yes.
Do you need your temperature?
Yes.
Good job. Oh, do you have a temperature?
Yes.
Yeah. Say, Mommy, we all have a temperature.
Yes. Also, Dada. Mommy?
Are you going to take my temperature?
Yes.
Are you Dr. Stryker?
No.
No. Are you Dr. Jordy?
There. Mommy.
I think it's under your foot.
This.
Let's see. Nope, that's another piece.
This.
Is that another thermometer? Easy for Mommy to say. Oh, it did beep. Are you sick? No. It's going beep, beep.
Mommy, Dada.
Mommy's temperature?
Oh, the
No, be careful. You're going to fall down from there. You need to cut your hair. Should we cut your hair?
Yes.
Yeah. Good job, Jordy. Jordy. Hi, Kira. Come over this way a little bit and then you can do a somersault.
No.
Right there. Now you can do a somersault.
No.
Alright. Oh! Good job. That was a little bit rough on that one. Can you do it again?
No.
Alright.
The chair. Oh.
Down here.
That's because we just changed Jordan's diaper.
I get oh
Yeah, we got the ew.
That looks like a full one. Say bye-bye to mommy. Say bye-bye to mommy. Say goodnight. Say goodnight.
Good night.
Go get the Chugger Championship book.
Good
Go get
night.
the Chugger Championship. And we'll read that before bed. Go get Chugger Chuggington.
Nope, we're just
They're
about
done
finishing
playing.
up.
They're gonna go to bed.
Yep, we're gonna go to bed.
You're too busy flying your B-52?
Yes.
Did you do loops in your B-52?
You need to do it.
I did loops in my B-52.
Alright.
Okay, come on, Bo. Let's go. Chugger Champions. Let's go. Let's take this with a pair of tongs out of the toxic heat. My goodness.
Yeah. Oh, is that Bubby's rocket?
The blue rocket.
The blue rocket is Bubby's rocket, yep. Yeah, you can play with it.
Uh-oh, no.
Careful, Jordan.
Let's play. The rocket.
There you go. Good job, Jordan. You got up to G this time. Can you say H? Can you say H? Jordy, can you say H?
No.
No, you can't. H. H.
Let's go.
Yay, Kira!
How would I die?
Very much. Night night. Yeah, is it time to go night night? Oh. Yep, it's time to go night night. Oh, you can go night night right there? On there? No, where are you gonna go night night? Uh-oh. You're silly. Good job, Jordan. Yep. You're sitting down on that little seat. That little seat down there. So silly right there. There's the little seat. You're silly.